natin is y is equal to c1x squared plus c2 e raised to x. Dalawa yung constant. So, dalawa matches tayo mag-differentiate. So, y prime is equal to 2c1x plus 2c2 e raised to 2x. Y double prime is equal to 2c1 plus 4, 2 times 2, c2 e raised to 2x. Combine natin to, pero multiply na muna natin tong equation 2 by 2. So, 2y prime is equal to 4c1x plus 4c2 e raised to 2x. Copy natin to, magiging y double prime is equal to 2c1 plus 4c2 e raised to 2x. Multiply natin to by negative 1. Cancel na to. So, y double prime minus 2y prime is equal to 2c1 minus 4c1x. Next is, ito naman yung gamitin natin, itong dalawa. So, multiply natin to by 2. Magiging 2y is equal to 2c1x squared plus 2c2 e raised to 2x. Copy natin tong next term, magiging y prime is equal to 2c1x plus 2c2 e raised to 2x. Multiply natin to by negative 1, cancelled na. So, y prime minus 2y equal to 2c1x minus 2c1x squared. Mapapansin natin na merong common which is c1, 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 c1. So, solve natin siya by in terms of c1. So, hanapin natin yung c1 dito, yung c1 dito. So, ito muna yung solve natin. Magiging y double prime minus 2y prime is equal to c1 times the quantity 2 minus 4x. So, c1 is equal to y double prime minus 2y prime all over, all over 2 minus 4x. So, yan yung first value ng c1. Next natin i-solve is ito naman. So, magiging y prime minus 2y is equal to c1, 2 times the quantity 2x minus 2x squared. So, c1 is equal to y prime minus 2y all over 2x minus 2x squared. So, equate na natin tong dalawa. Alisin na lang natin to para mas marami tayong space. Alisin natin. So, yan. Isip natin dito. Magiging c1 is equal to c1. c1 is equal to c1. So, equate natin itong dalawa. Magiging y double prime minus 2y prime all over 2 minus 4x is equal to y prime minus 2y all over 2x minus 2x squared. Plus multiply natin, magiging y double prime minus 2y prime times the quantity ito. 2x minus 2x squared is equal to y prime minus 2y times the quantity 2 minus 4x. So, first is 2xy double prime minus 2x squared y double prime minus 4xy prime plus 4x squared y prime. Call method yan. So, dito naman 2y prime minus 4xy prime minus 4y plus 8xy. Check natin kung tama yung values natin. 2x squared y double prime minus 4xy prime plus 4x squared y prime. 2y prime minus 4xy prime minus 4y plus 8xy. So, may like terms ditong dalawa. So, ito yun. Tapos ito. So, cancel na natin. Then, combine na natin lahat. Lipat natin yung mga nasa right side sa left side. So, magiging minus 2y minus 2y prime plus 4y minus 8xy equal to 0. Combine natin to, ang dalawa, magiging, wait, first natin gawin is divide both sides by 2. So, magiging, since common sila sa lahat, sa 2, magiging xy double prime minus x squared y double prime plus 2x squared y prime minus y prime plus 2y minus 4xy. Next, is equal to 0. Next, saka na natin sila i-combine kasi simplified form na sila. So, ito magiging x times 1 minus x y double prime plus ito naman magiging 2x squared minus y ay minus 1 y prime plus 2 times the quantity 1 minus 2x y is equal to hindi 1 mali magiging na siyang labasan natin yung negative ng isa magiging negative so iuunahan natin to kasi mas maano yung variable so negative magiging 1 magiging 2x minus ay common sa kanila yung 2 so labas natin siya so magiging negative 2 times 2x minus 1 y is equal to 0. So check natin kung tama yung sagot natin. 2x squared minus 1y prime minus 2x minus 1y is equal to 0. So tama na yung sagot natin.